Hi, my name is Sylvia. I've been teaching yoga for the last 8 years. I've been suffering by tinnitus, and here I am with a suggestion, a nice exercise. First of all, find a quiet place in nature. I'm sitting here by the sea, which I love. You can sit in the forest, in a quiet room of your home, and then you just start rubbing your hands up to 10 seconds. When they're really warm, you put them on your ear shells and you leave them there and enjoy the warmth. And then you repeat it 10 times rubbing, 5 seconds here, and a third time. You can do 3 sets, 3 times a day, 21 days in a row. And let me know if it worked, if it helped. Curious to find out. Thanks for listening. See you soon. Bye.